I really hope that you can't hear my dad in his like work meeting in the other room. Maybe I'll just talk loud. Hey guys, Melanie, long time no see. It feels like I haven't done a sit down talking video in so long, so I'm so excited to be here showing you guys some stuff that I've gotten recently. Actually, it's not that recently. I collect a lot of stuff and I've accumulated all these things over a vast period of time. I have a lot of stuff that's thrifted, and then I have some Lulu, Zara, a couple things from Urban. I would say majority of it is thrifted though. Other than that, let's get straight into this haul. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try to break up some of my thrift finds just because I have a lot of different like times I went thrifting, so I'm gonna kind of group them together to like disperse them more evenly, you know what I'm saying? But the most recent time I went thrifting, this was at a Value Village. I just picked up 3 things. First off, look how cute these colors are together. I got this Juicy couture jacket. It's brown and it was in the little girl section. I love the little J. I've actually been looking for a Juicy jacket for kind of a while. I wanted like a jumpsuit like to wear it all together, but then I realized I'm probably not gonna wear them together realistically anyways, and I've been loving brown. I don't even have a brown like jacket or that much brown in general, so I was like, okay, you can do this. And I figured this is like a step up from my oversized just like zip ups because it's tighter, it's more like a cardigan, so I thought this would be cute. Maybe with some jeans or something, I don't know, mixing it up, giving it a little like 80s vibe. Then I got this top. This is really plain, but I just like brand, I like the print, the quality, just like this baby blue, and if you see it close up, it's kind of like a houndstooth, really tiny print, but I thought this would be cute if you crop it or like tuck it in. Since it has a nice v-neck, it would look really good over like a turtleneck or anything like that. Then I got this. I'm so excited about it. It had shoulder pads that I cut out, but look how funky, like this looks like something you get from Princess Polly. I think this is so cool. They almost look like roses, but it's not even a print. It's like mesh and then fabric, which is so cool. The weird thing about this though is it has kind of like odd length sleeves. It's like quarter sleeves, so I don't know if I'm gonna cut it, roll it, not sure, but I've been loving button-ups, long sleeve or short sleeve, just to throw over like any tank top. I think it's so cute, and I think it's totally gonna be a trend for the summer over like bikini tops or bralettes. So these are a couple purses that I got. If you saw my thrifting with my mom video, they just have so much good stuff I couldn't pass up. During that trip, I got this little backpack. I don't even know how you're supposed to attach this. It has a bunch of zipper compartments. I just thought it was cool. I picked up this bag. It's a little Coach mini purse, but I just thought it was so cute. Been really into Coach, and I think the colors are adorable. I also like that. Unfortunately, I can't tell you what material it is, but it's waterproof, so that's cool. And then this one is so cool, and it's like a dark, like warm brown. Feels like it has a lot of space in it, and I just like the structure of this purse altogether. It could be a good shoulder purse too. A couple things that I also got on that same thrift trip while I was thrifting with my mom, because they had so much good stuff. And you know what? When you're at the thrift store and you find something good, you just have to snatch it up because there's no going back later, or at least that's what I live by. So I got this sweater. I've worn it in a little outfits video. It's very like 2000s, 90s boy style, Old Navy. You get what I'm going for. It's super soft, a little bit oversized, and very neutral. So I really love this, even if I'm just lounging around at home. I got another button-up shirt. This one looks like something my grandma would wear if she was like gardening, but it has a bunch of floral embroidery, and I just thought it was so cute. You couldn't pass it up, even like to the buttons. Yeah, I think it would look so good with like some corduroy pants, something brown. I just love this color once again. And then I got this top. I'm so excited for this. I swear they sell this exact top on Princess Polly, but it kind of has that funky, almost zebra looking print on it, and it's like a little button up. I'd probably wear this as a cardigan. I've just been really into funky prints, whether it's zebra or like, I don't know, cool plaid. I've been digging it, and I, as I said, have been in love with button-ups, so I'm so excited to style this. And brown. It just checks all of the boxes. I got some stuff from Lululemon, which I have not shopped there for quite some time. I got these pants. They're super cool. They're like a brownish shade. They're called Align Wide Leg Crops. The Align material, if you know, is so soft. Also, they have pockets. Also, I'm just obsessed with literally anything wide leg. Also, the color, it's like this reddish brown, which I'm so in love with. They're kind of like, oh my gosh, I'm just so here for it because they look cute, but then it's like you're wearing leggings or yoga pants. Obsessed with these. I also got this top in black. I figured this is just so, like, there's so many ways you could wear it, because first off, you could wear it this way, you could flip it, wear it as a v-neck, you could also wear it just as a normal top or for working out, and I just think it's amazing. Of course, Lulu, always great quality. This is called the Power Pivot Tank, and then I'm so excited for this. This is like a sports bra, but I could probably just wear it as a bralette or a tank top, but it's called Like a Cloud Bra Long Line, and it's like strappy and whatnot, but this is, let me tell you, the softest material ever. I'm gonna want to sleep in this. Oh my gosh. And it's this olivey, like neutral muted green. So I'm so excited for this. You bet I'm gonna be wearing that all the time. Then I got a couple things at Urban. I got just these pants because I love wide leg, and they are like corduroy looking, but they're not like jeans, so they're like a little bit comfier because they have like elastic waist. They have nice pockets. Oh my gosh, I psyched myself out. I literally thought I was kidding myself and there's no pockets and I was gonna be sad. It's also the sage green, which I love this color so much. Yes, love that. And then I got 2 jewelry pieces. I got some earrings because I really like their earrings. First off, these ones are on sale, so I picked up this little set and it has a bunch of little like yin-yangs on it, and I just thought that was adorable. Obviously it also has peace signs, so as you can see by my nail, I'm really into yin-yangs. And then I got this one. I used to be kind of like, not against, but I wasn't a fan of like mismatched earrings, but something happened and something about this set, it's so like dainty, cutesy, girly. I can't wait to slap literally all of these on. I'm gonna have my 11 piercings filled with like all these different gems, but they all go together, so I think it's really cute. For the whole like mismatched piercing thing, as long as they're like cohesive, it looks cute. That's where I'm at right now. I have 2 things that I got from Nordstrom. I usually don't shop there either, but their sales rack was going a little crazy. So I posted a outfit photo with this on, and I'm obsessed with this sweater. It's like zebra print, which as I said, I've been loving prints, but since it's kind of 2 neutral colors, it's not too out there, which I really, really like. This is also by Lulu's, but I got it from Nordstrom. I didn't even know they sold Lulu's, which is awesome. I'm definitely going back there. And it was only like 20 bucks because it was on sale. So I was like, that was a good shopping day. I also got this jacket. I've been super into like longer overcoats and like not wearing puffers. Not saying that I don't like puffers, because I do, but I have a lots of like cutesy girly outfits that are like less street style, but all I had were puffer jackets. So then I was like, I think I need to get some different styles of jackets. So I got this one. It kind of just looks like a woolly thick button up, but it's lined so many times, it's literally a coat. It's so nice. I also got it in a medium, so it's pretty long on me, which I really like, because then it looks good with like skirts and dresses, those kinds of outfits. But I styled this a couple times in like on my stories and stuff. I wear it all the time as my jacket. I also love that it's neutral, because then I can wear it with so many things, just throw it over, you know? Then I got a couple things from Zara. First off, I got 2 tank tops. They're different styles. This one's like a high neck tank top and it's black, and then this one's like a ribbed square cut tank top and it's white. I swear I actually don't have like solid basics. That's why Zara, I got a bunch of basics. I also got this tank top, bralette tank top. I wear it underneath a lot of like tie tops where it like peeks through, or underneath sweaters and stuff like that, but it's this pretty neutral shade and it's really comfy. But I like that it's long line, because if you wear like something cropped, it'll peek through underneath. I got these wide leg jeans, which everyone asks me where they're from, and they're from Zara, and I also get a lot of compliments when I wear them. The only issue is that they're the button up, not like a zipper, which isn't a huge ordeal. I just prefer zippers, but you know what, we're not complaining here because the quality of these, amazing, super comfy, just everything about them I'm in love with. And I'm so short, but they fit me like perfectly. I didn't even have to cut them or anything. And then the last thing from Zara is this long coat. As I said, I was looking for like something a little fancier, and this is exactly what I was looking for. Kind of woolly once again. It kind of looks like a lab coat, but it also looks very, you know, like wear it to church, wear it to the fancy bougie mall. You just like throw it over anything, you look fancy. Sometimes I go to like Trader Joe's in this and then I'm like, wow. Bumps me up a few years, if you get what I'm saying. Like, it makes me look a little bit older, but I really, really love this. High-key, I'm restraining myself from buying it in more colors. I only have a couple more things and they're all thrifted, so I'm gonna go through them pretty quick because I've been talking for a while. First off, these 3 things I didn't actually thrift recently. I just found them in a pile somewhere, which means I never wore them. Where did the other one go? Oh, means I never wore them. I forgot about them, and I also never showed them in a haul. So first off, I have this. Love the color. Very plain. Don't need to talk much about that. I can wear that many ways. Then I have this little half button up. You can't really see it, it's black, but I'll try it on, and it's a ribbed sweater knit. But I think this will look cute cropped. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do anything to it, but very, very good quality. And then I also have this. It's a pink, I guess it's a mock neck because it's not all the way. I figured this would look really good layered underneath stuff, because you know how turtleneck are in and whatever. So I figured this would look good with, I think it would look really cute if I had like a pink crew neck over it. Lots of pink, but I think it would look good. A couple more things, I promise. Almost done. I have these Nike like track pants, and they're really big, but I just like yank them up all the way so that they're a little bit high-waisted. They're an actual like track material, so when you walk it's like you feel? But they're just black and white. They have a little stripe, and then they also have the tiny embroidered Nike symbol. Very basic, very comfy though. And then I have these Sabaton pants that I found, which is like, wow, thrift store doing me. Wow, like thank you. Love these, love the color. You can wear it with other browns, or it's kind of pinky, so you can wear it with pinky stuff also. Amazing quality, has pockets. They're kind of tapered at the bottom, and they have like elastic that matches the waist. I love these. Very formal, so I would wear these if I worked in an office or something, but I don't, so I don't really know why I brought that up. But I wear those like slightly more formal things, you feel? Then I had this phase where I bought literally anything that had a Nike symbol when I was in like middle school, and I've grown through that, but sometimes when I see Nike stuff, as you saw by the pants, I still like gravitate towards it. This was one of those things. It's like a windbreaker. I think it's also because of the color. It's like a neutral brown, which I obviously am in love with, but it's kind of like a quarter zip. It's a golf jacket, and then it has like a really nice little Nike symbol on the side, so I thought that was nice. It's in really good condition, and I figured I would just throw it over a hoodie, maybe wear it to walk my dog or something. I don't know. And then the last thing for this haul is this button-up long sleeve. This is very hippie vibes. Like, it shows my alternate styles, but it's literally rainbow, so many colors, very thin stripes. I think it's very, I don't know, I just love it. Like, I love it so much. And I would just wear it as a cardigan, or I guess as its own shirt, but I love all the colors. It's also super soft and comfy. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching that insane haul. I am gonna go try all this stuff on, and if you want to see how I style any of these things, make sure to let me know what type of outfit videos you want to see, and also check me out on like Instagram and TikTok because I post a lot of outfits and other stuff on there. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily. Ooh. Ah.